So what is the first thing that comes to your mind when you think about Pakistan?
Pakistani people are really pure and really kind. I have a stereotype, Pakistani, like Pakistani or engineer or doctor.
Mera
मेरा क्या बोलते हैं मेरा दाऊद दाबुलताश
कच्चा पापड़ पका पापड़ कच्चा पापड़ पका पापड़
पाचा पाकर पाका पाकर पाचा पाकर 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 dear Pakistan Jan Jan Pakistan dear Pakistan Jan Jan Pakistan
fan meetup.
fan me no I
No,
don't know.
really.
I don't have fan.
No, come on guys, comment karo how much do you like Daud Kim? Start commenting
But
all the.
no one will come.
No, guys, will you come or no? So start commenting right now. If you're gonna come and be in Daud Kim's fan meetup.
मैं प्यार से प्यार करता हूँ
So Daud has some message for all of you. Daud.
मैं प्यार से प्यार करता हूँ
अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन. तो फाइनली यार मेरे साथ जो है आज हैं दाऊद किम. माशाल्लाह फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यार आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड कि फाइनली जे किम ने टाइम निकाला और आज मैं जो है ना जे किम से मिल रहा हूँ. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जे, वुड यू लाइक टू से हेलो टू ऑल द पाकिस्तानी पीपल?
Assalamualaikum. My name is Daud and I'm so happy to meet you guys in his channel.
So guys, I have been doing videos for a long time and lots of Pakistani people wanted me to make a video with Daud Kim. So even if I'm uploading a video about BTS or Korean language, the only request I was receiving was make a video with Daud Kim. So finally, we are with Daud Kim.
Really?
Yeah, people love you so much. Trust me, people love you in Pakistan. They love you so much.
Shukriya.
He knows Urdu also. So we're gonna do some tongue twister. वो होता नहीं है उर्दू में चाचा चांदनी रात में चाचा ने चाची को. तो we're gonna do that one also with Daud Kim. But so stay tuned. वीडियो को पूरा देखिएगा and there will be lots of funny questions also. Right now we're gonna talk about Pakistan.
Okay.
So Daud, I'm from Pakistan, right?
I know.
Yeah, and again lots of people will be watching you from Pakistan. So what is the first thing that comes to your mind when you think about Pakistan?
When I think about Pakistan, I always think about the video. Why Pakistan is everything is free. I forgot the name. There is a YouTube video.
Okay.
Everything is free. So,
Everything is free.
oh, so it's really everything is free. And so I really want to go like, oh, everything is free. Then I want to check.
Actually, Pakistan is cheap, and of course, not everything is free. But if you go to Pakistan, of course, everything will be free. People will love you so much. They're gonna, give you everything totally free, and they're gonna love you so much.
I'm kidding. It was really nice because they have a lot of hospitality.
No doubt.
And I love the food of Pakistan. Biryani is so amazing.
Biryani.
Pakistan biryani.
Wow.
I heard the beautiful nature
Yeah.
and the biggest dam and the mountain and
Wow.
desert and everything is in there. I heard, and and Pakistani people are really pure and really kind. I think they are really kind. I saw many Pakistani people in Korea, and most of they are students or they work or. But they are very diversity people, but all of them are so kind and very smart.
Thank you so much for
I have a stereotype, Pakistani, like Pakistani or engineer or doctor. Yes, right.
And one engineer sitting right next to you. I'm also engineer.
Am I right? See, like this is not stereotype.
Yeah. You like Pakistani food also, and what your
Sure.
favorite food is?
Biryani.
Apart from biryani, what do you like?
I forgot the name. Mandu.
Samosa?
Samosa is
Mandu.
really good. And the yogurt, I forgot.
Lassi?
Lassi is really good.
Yeah, mango and जो होती है lassi or samosa ना, apart from Jakim, like a lot of Koreans they like that thing
It's
also.
really sweet.
So in Pakistan lassi is not, they don't have that many flavors. But in Korea, you can eat talgi like strawberry lassi, and you can have mango lassi also. And Daud's Kim favorite is lassi and samosa and biryani. So inshallah someday I really want to invite you and take you to a Pakistani restaurant and
I love to.
Yeah. So Pakistani food again is very delicious. Now Daud, can you speak Urdu? Do you know Urdu or no?
Oh, I forgot, but I know. Shukriya.
Shukriya. Something
And
else. Like my name is Daud. Do you know how to say that? Let's see how much
I
you
learned.
Let's see. You want any hint?
Yes.
Mera
मेरा क्या बोलते हैं मेरा दाऊद दाबुलताश क्या बोलते हैं
What language is it?
I don't know. 아, 배웠는데.
Okay. मेरा
메라?
नाम
मेरा नाम दाऊद कीम.
मेरा नाम
아,
दाऊद
맞아.
कीम है. Mashallah. So
मेरा
that's how
नाम.
you say मेरा नाम दाऊद कीम है.
Teach me more, please.
Okay. So I'm gonna play some tongue twister. You want to learn
yes.
Urdu?
Sure, sure.
So we're gonna do some tongue twister. So the tongue twister is कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़.
काचा पापड़, पापड़.
कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़.
काचा पापड़, पापड़.
As I was
Can you
expecting.
one more time, please?
कच्चा पापड़
काचा पापड़,
पक्का पापड़.
काचा पापड़, पाका
पक्का
पापड़.
पापड़.
काचा पापड़, पाका पापड़.
देवक.
काचा
Awesome.
पापड़, पाका पापड़.
So we're gonna do let's another one. Now this one is खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से
खड़क सिंह का खड़कने से
खड़कती हैं खिड़कियां.
खड़कती है खड़कियाँ.
खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से
खड़क सिंह के
खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से
खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से
खड़कती हैं खिड़कियां.
खड़कती है खिड़कियाँ.
Let's do. खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती हैं खिड़कियां. ले, you can do that.
खड़क सिंह के खड़कने के खड़क सिंह के खड़कियाँ.
To be honest though, mashallah, you are really good.
No.
Trust me, you are very good than compared to other my friends. You know, there is even a longer version. खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती हैं खिड़कियां, खिड़कियों के खड़कने से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह. You wanna try that one or no?
खड़क सिंह के खड़कने खड़क सिंह के खड़कना.
Oh, maybe the people would hate me for giving you a tough one. So, though, do you know like how to say "Long live Pakistan" in Pakistani language?
No.
So it's Pakistan Zindabad.
I know. Pakistan Jinnabad. Dil Dil Pakistan.
And we have seen a video of you
Yes.
singing Dil Dil Pakistan song also
Yes. With Zahid.
with Zahid.
Zahid.
Can you sing a little bit now?
Dear Pakistan, Jan
Jan
Pakistan, dear Pakistan, Jan Pakistan.
So thank you so much. You know, you sing a song that almost everyone watching you right now know that. So do you know what is the capital city of Pakistan?
Capital. I know.
Capitals.
Can you give me a hint?
Okay, I'm gonna give you 3 hints.
Okay.
First is Karachi,
Karachi,
Lahore,
Lahore,
Islamabad.
Islamabad. I know. I've heard
Let's see.
Lahore and Karachi. Islamabad, right?
Yeah, third is Islamabad.
Capital is Islamabad.
You are smart.
Three cities are very famous.
All are very famous.
Yes.
If you ever get a chance to visit Pakistan, where exactly do you want to go?
Karachi. What is famous in there?
Karachi is the coastal area,
Yep.
and the famous thing is population.
Oh, population. That's famous.
It's very the most populous city.
Oh.
If you come to Lahore, Lahore is very cultural. You know, if you want to eat
Oh.
samosa
I wanna go.
and other desserts, Lahore is the food hub basically.
Oh, Lahore. I
So-
wanna go Lahore.
Lahore, yeah, guys. So inshallah, if ever Daud Kim visit Pakistan, maybe he will have a meetup in
Yes.
Lahore probably. But by the way, do you have any plans to visit Pakistan
Oh, sure. Actually, next year.
next year?
Yep.
Like some people were asking me if you ever will organize a fan meetup. With...
Fan meetup? I
No,
don't
really.
know. I don't have fan.
No, come on, guys. Comment karo. How much do you like Daud Kim? Start commenting
Oh,
all the.
no one will come.
No, guys, will you come or no? So start commenting right now. If you're gonna come and be in Daud Kim's fan meetup or no. But trust me, mashallah,
Yes.
I did a survey on my YouTube, like how many of you know Daud Kim, and people write like almost everyone wrote like they know, and most of them wrote like almost 90 people of Pakistani they know you.
Wow.
So mashallah, you definitely are very popular. If you're gonna be there in Pakistan for a fan meetup, trust me, it's gonna be jam packed. So we all waiting for you, and inshallah, if you ever go to Pakistan, I'm gonna be with you. I really want to go with you
Okay,
and
okay.
be there also in the meetup.
Okay,
So-
I will do it.
Yeah, thank you. So Daud, again, now talking about Pakistani, what's your first impression about Pakistani people when you meet them, or before meeting any Pakistani people, and after you have met them, did anything change?
They're really kind, and like always give me help and always give me the good words and
Mashallah.
yeah, always.
So when you go to the, to offer prayer in the mosque, do you meet lots of Pakistani
Sure, a
people?
lot of Pakistani people in Ansan Mosque and Seoul Mosque, everywhere there are Pakistani because like honestly, like other countries, people also pray very sincerely, but especially Pakistani are really love pray.
Pray, right?
Really love pray. They practice really hard. So why I really
So, but I'm curious,
touched.
like
I'm
when
so
once you
touched.
go to a mosque, like I'm sure a lot of people recognize you and want to take a picture with you. Is it like that?
Sometimes.
No, I guess yeah, he's being very nice right now. No, like you're going to the prayer and everyone like, oh my God, Daud came, and then everyone started.
No, not like that.
Now, like Daud, any message to all the people watching you right now from Pakistan?
Really?
Yeah.
I cannot believe you watch me, but I'm so thankful to you watching me, and thanks to giving me good comments and support me, and I'm really happy that we believe same God and we are in the same like a same family,
Yeah, we are
like a
in the same family.
brothers, sisters. I'm so happy that all like we are very far from Pakistan, Korea, very far,
far.
but I can feel like there is Muslims in everywhere,
Oh.
and I can feel when I pray that. When I pray, I can feel that every people share the same
Same
feelings.
feelings, right.
So I'm so happy about that. So
And-
thank you.
And at the end, to all the Pakistani people like Sarang hai, you could say in Urdu,
Yes.
मैं तुमसे
मैं तुमसे
प्यार करता हूँ.
प्यार का हूँ.
So, प्यार करता हूँ. So,
हमसे
प्यार
प्यार
करता
करता
हूँ.
हो.
So 1, 2, 3.
प्यार
मैं तुमसे
मैं तुमसे
प्यार करता हूँ.
प्यार करता हूँ.
I'm sorry, it's really long, but
मैं तुमसे
प्यार करता हूँ.
मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ.
Let's do that again. मैं तुमसे
मैं तुमसे
प्यार
प्यार
करता
करता
हूँ.
मैं तुमसे
प्यार करता हूँ.
प्यार करता हूँ. मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ.
Okay, last time. Okay, guys. So Daud has some message for all of you. Daud.
मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ.
Yeah. So he loves you so much, guys. So thank you so much, guys, for watching all the video, and start leaving your comments and how much you love Daud Kim. He really wants to know, like how many people watching him right now. So thank you so much, guys, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.
Allah Hafiz.
Bye bye.